What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I know it's been a while since I last made a video. I think it was like 2 or 3 months now. Yeah, well, in that time I was waiting for this thing to get back. We got it back, not in the conditions we wanted it to, but somewhat better than what it was. And that's what this whole video is going to be about. I took it to get tuned. I know that's like some of you should know if you've been keeping up. Took it to get tuned, and we came across a couple of stuff that we need to figure out before we even think about getting it tuned. So starting with well, I took it to Joe. His shop is Della Performance DDP. Look it up. It's up in Dayton. He was super helpful. He had the car for 3 months, and he didn't really have to do everything he did, but he really helped me out a lot. And he put some hours in it, and he was getting a whole bunch of codes. He did a compression test. It wasn't the greatest, but also not the worst. So it still has some life left in it, hopefully. He changed the throttle bodies. They're both new. We also changed the TPMS on the gas pedal over there. Changed the battery because it completely died while I was over there. And a couple other stuff. We came to the conclusion, well, actually before, he also changed the computers, the ECUs. He tried like 2 different ones. He gave me that one for now till we get it all sorted out. So the throttle bodies, they're not opening how they should at the same time and all that. That's part of it. One of the things. He changed the ECUs, like I said before, and he kept getting like the same codes here and there. Like they will go out away for a little bit, then they will come back. Then we came to the conclusion that the harness, it might be corrupted. So that's why like the idle, it'd be like all over the place. With the throttle bodies and the TPMS, kind of helped it a little bit, but we're still going back and forth with that. So I've been looking around, see if I can get somebody to make a harness for me. I've talked to like 2 people, 2 companies. They said they don't do that, and I'm trying to keep it as OEM as possible. And if you guys were kind enough to find me somebody, if you're watching the video and you've done the swap yourself and know somebody that has done a DE to VHR harness swap, send them my way, because I mean, I've put so much money and time into this thing, it's still not running how it should. I'm gonna start calling it the LUCK G35. It already has the red, so but no, that's what we've been dealing with. It's currently retuned on uprev just so I could get it home, but it's still not really all that drivable, unfortunately. Like even when you turn it on, the idle's like kind of all over the place, but then with some time it like goes back to normal or whatever that is anymore. So yeah, I mean, I don't really have much. I do have some clamps that I need to change on it. I'll probably lift it up, put it in some jack stands, and see where we go from there. So we'll probably just do that now. Great. All right, so that's done. I'll probably sit here for a while. The ones that I need to change, it's that one right there, and the one next to it. Look at all that. Oh, crispy. Yeah. So I decided to just go ahead and take them out while I was there. These things were cooked. Look at that. So I'm putting those on. Hopefully they will work better. I've heard that they're better. I mean, last longer. They're thinner, but we'll see. Hopefully we can make it work. Yeah, that thing's cooked. I'm gonna go ahead and clean it up and then put those puppies on. So figured I'd give you guys a little bit more. Go ahead and get it over with when I'm here. So yep, that's that. Alright, let's clean them up and put them back on there. Alright, so I cleaned them up somewhat. Not really too worried, that's under the car, so it's whatever. So I'm gonna go ahead and put them on now, and then hopefully we won't have any more leaks ever. Hopefully. Alright, so we're all back together. There's that. We'll start it up, and hopefully it won't leak, because if it is, we're cooked. Alright, let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. At least it smells good here. Don't fall, bitch. Fine, so we'll see. Hopefully it'll work fine. I'm sure it will. I hope. I surely hope. Alright, so that'll be the end of this now. I was white. Anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed. Like I said, make sure you get yourself some merch on the description.